Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to remove this wing mirror glass over here if you want to replace this mirror glass, and we're also going to be removing the rear cap as well. So the tools you'll need will be seen now. So you need a set of plastic removal tools. They work the best, and if you're addressing the indicator you might need a screwdriver and a small socket set. First and foremost, you want to start by carefully moving this mirror glass as I just did, so that you have access to the bottom over here, because there's two hooks that go into here at the top, so we want to free it up from the bottom first and then from the top, and we'll just pull it down. I'll try and bring you up close to what I'm referring to. It's just underneath there, that white part there. I'll just be using a screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and I'll be freeing up the mirror. Once I remove it, I'll show you what I mean. So using my screwdriver, it's just gone in there. This mirror is heated as well, so you want to be careful when you pull it out. And then the second one is over here, just like that. Once it's free, it was just a normal screwdriver, flathead screwdriver that I used for that. Just a matter of getting those clips out of there. It's a bit tricky, but you get the idea. And these are the two heated wires that I was talking about. So, and these are the clips here. So that clip there and that clip there. So that's how you remove your mirror glass, and then it's just reversive removal. These two just go back into the slot. So now you can see a bit more clearly what I'm talking about. So the two clips that we undid at the bottom were here, we just clipped in here, and the two hooks are over here. They just slot on at the top. That I came in with the screwdriver was over here to the bottom. So I just came in from the bottom and just unclipped it here from this part here. So I know a lot of people seem to struggle on this, so I just thought I'd quickly make this video. I hope this was of some help to you. Thanks for watching, everyone. So if you want to see how to remove the mirror cap and the remaining bits, that'll be in the next video. Otherwise, thanks for watching, everyone. See you.